Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Focus will have more than 200 videos on it, so please guys subscribe. We'll try to save you as much money as we can. In today's video, we will show you where to find the relay for the rear window wiper. Okay, this is for the rear window wiper. The front window wiper, the windshield wipers will be different relay, so we'll have a video on that one as well. The rear wiper also has a fuse, so if yours doesn't work, check the fuse, check the relay. Third will be to check the switch and the motor. Now, you need to open the hood, and once you open the hood, locate the fuse box here, and we need to remove the cap, the lid, press in here and pull up. Okay, on the front there is kind of like two clips here, so you move it until it comes out. Okay, you can see. Now let me show you. On the back side, if you flip it this way, the layout here corresponds to the layout here, and we need to locate relay number 5, R5, this one here. This one will be the third in this row from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3. Even if you're missing one, you still count it. So this is the relay for the rear window wipers. So sometimes those are really hard to remove. I'll attempt to remove it with my hands only, but if it doesn't work, we might use pliers. Okay, but you can damage it sometimes. In the meantime, guys, we'll have a video how to test those guys. Okay, because there is no need to buy one unless you tested it and it's bad. Okay, so this guy is stuck pretty good. Let me get a screwdriver quick. Okay, and pliers, and see if I can help it a little bit. Okay, came out. You can see, but you have to be extremely careful not to damage the pins, not to damage your fuse box. Those are super tight. Now, this is the part number here, and we'll have the parts and the new relay that we use in the description of the video below for your convenience, where we buy our parts from, guys. So let me get the new one quick. Okay, right here, original Ford Motorcraft relay. And all we have to do at that point, okay, you need to see which way it goes. In our case, it's like that. Align everything and then push all the way. And this is it, guys. Don't forget to install your cover, and that will be the whole video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.